People, remember I think last week, we did live video on vulavula commit suicide. We did live video, they will concur with me or to agree with me. We did live video, we vulavula commit suicide.
Because home is where
because one button judge about depression, what. So now that that incident that happened yesterday, but they got the screenshots. I think I still remember exactly what I wrote. It's illustrating a man who commits suicide is selfish and a coward. And I still stick reason being imagine anongena kwala ka Facebook nisungula no hayi loko munhu akarhele vutomi a tidlayi mingena kwala no hayi loko munhu akarhele a tidlayi. Just imagine. So if somebody is attempting to commit suicide or something, and one addiction, I don't want to commit suicide. I know for what you did is right. Imagine if I have to go around in Jalaban Kurai, the Munakarele, at the Sungi, at the Chilili, the police. Just imagine if I was like that, there was no way people, I was gonna say to people they must kill themselves or do some stupid things. I was so disappointed. There is a very close friend of mine. He also attempted to do such kind of things.
And your explorer will do the rest.
You are attempting in my police.
So,
what you are doing is very wrong. People, no matter what we can be going through, depression or no depression, let's not kill ourselves, please. I've known Maraji from Karola. She was dating my sister. Shakali. I've known him. So, I understood the cause. I rifu and but we blah blah listening to social media. And I will what is the cause? Blah blah based on what I've heard like a social media or what I've seen like a social media. So Kombela misukula kuni jaja people. And then Herald look kuna maka inkosi wa diamond yibjeli ni mitsika kufela anzini. When I know something you suspect of so voice out. When I don't know the cause. I don't know the cause. If I heard something anta blah blah khala mina ningashifuka. Now I'm so disappointed in my majority. I'm not saying all, but majority. I can't create a fan in just create fun for the likes of Facebook. So people, I'm one strong man. But I'm not happy the way you're running social media, especially Shishwa Gome. It's not good. That's why I'm okay, people. I'm but I wanted to clear the Makatagore. Commit suicide and all that. A man who commits suicide is a coward. That's being selfish. irrespective of depression or whatever that you're going through, I still say it. Nasti ka kamarti ya mina mavula swona sweswo a ku cincanga nchumu rifu ri twini, may his soul rest in peace. No, we're all going to die, people. No one is special here. Hinkwenu laha mi pfuna nchumu ngopfu ku va ku ri swilo swi ringani, mara mi pfuna nchumu ngopfu hinkwenu ya ku fenda. Hambi mu create fana la ka social media ri fra munhu, doesn't matter. Even if you hate someone, mara you don't wish death on another human being. You can hate somebody, mara don't ever wish death munhu un'wanyana. Swi na ri sweswo hinkwaswo swi na vuloyi, a ku va jealousy kumbe swin'wanyana, ku va vuloyi sweswo vuloyi. So ni nga ni misquote people, ni nga ni misquote, ni vula leswi ni nga vula swona, na stika ka sweswi nga vula swona. Ni nga ni misquote, I know ni nga ni misquote, a no laka ni ka clarity ka sweswo na sweswi na stika ka sweswo ni nga swi vula last week. Na vula leswi I still emphasize, a man who commits suicide is selfish and a coward at the same time. Leswi vula kuswona sweswo a ni cincanga nchumu. Leswi mi ya ku ni quote-eni mi ni yisa laha mi ni yisaka kona, mi endla ti-TikTok hi mina, I don't give a flying fuck. Ni ta va ni vulavula leswi ni I stand for the truth, ni vulavula leswi ni vulaka swona, ni swi vulanga namuntlha, ni swi vulanga tolo, I've said it several times, and a ni nge cinci leswi ni nga swi vulavula simply because ni lava ku accommodate vanhu. Loko ku ri na loyi a twisaka ku ri maybe leswi ni nga swi vulavula swi n'wi khomi kahle, you can go to hell. You can just go to hell. It's easy as like that. Loko feel ku ri maybe leswi ni swi vulavulaka, maybe I'm talking nonsense, go to hell, to the nearest hell anyway. And there is nothing that you can do. There is absolutely nothing you can do. So akuna problem people ni vona siku ra kahle. Kuna group yi nga create-iwa ya ku chela timali halaya. Na share link ya kona ka Facebook. Humesa kula kumtsongo mi kota ku kona. Yeah, and van'wana va ta twisa ku ri maybe group liya ti-condolences swa humelela sweswo anyway kwala misaveni. So wa ya chela loko ri na mbilu ya kahle, ri na mbilu ya ku twela vusiwana or a va ti hava na mali ya nkosi. Sweswi mi ta ku hava va humeseriwe mali mhaka na mali ya nkosi, no, i ku titwela ka munhu, rest in peace swimanimani. So ta share link liya mi ya cheletela mali ya koko kwala mi cheletela mali ya koko, kuna list leyi nga ku fambeni kahle swinene. So a endleni tano swi tele leswi hi nga ta swi vulavula after. Well, it's too soon, but there is a lot of things that we're going to talk very soon. Maybe after funeral and all that. I yimile ku lava ta talk the funeral arrangement fambisa ku yini, but wa n'wi munhu u tshame ni tshama rivoni ya mina, munhu i ri kasi rivoni ya hi le kwini, ni tshama rivoni ya mina. Uma vutisa nyini ku rivoni ya hi le kwini, ni ta ni tambela la ka Facebook, ni tshama rivoni ya mina. N'waku yale nga tsala swo famba vutisa hi kwala nga tsala swo va rivoni, ni tshama ni tsala va rivoni ya mina. Tala mi ta ni vulavurisa ngopfu. Ni tshame ni vulavula hi va rivoni ya la, ta vutisa mina swa va rivoni. Mucimba wa rivoni. Future. Milango comment la likes la. Bye bye.